What's up, y'all? It's your girl Deja Janae XO, and I'm back with another vlog. I don't know. Y'all, my hair looks a mess. I just woke up. All I did was brush my teeth and wash my face, but I didn't moisturize my face. My face feels very, very dry. But it's 12:17, and I have not started my vlog for today, and I still have today, tomorrow, and Christmas Day, and my camera is about to die. Great. I'm about to switch to my phone. Okay, as I was saying, I have not moisturized my face. My face feels very dry. My hair looks a mess, but you know, it's okay. This is a result of the braid out that I did. I'm not sure if that video will be up by the time this one goes up. So if not, y'all just stay tuned for that. Or if it is, y'all go watch it. I don't know. I'll put it in the description box if it's up or not. It's 12:17, and I'm just not getting up really. I really woke up at like 12-ish. Really, I woke up at like 11. But you know, I sit in my bed on my phone for a good half hour. Then I go to the bathroom, then brush my teeth and all that. So right now it's 12:17 and I'm up. I have a phone interview at 1 o'clock and I'm super, super nervous. It's for, I don't know if y'all follow them, Impressions of Beauty on Instagram. They were looking for like new curl friends. That's what they call them, like girlfriends, but curl, like curl friends. They're looking for new curl friends, campus curl friends. So I did the application and I got an email saying that I was qualified for an interview. So my interview is today at 1 o'clock. And if y'all know me, y'all, this angle is terrible. If y'all know me, y'all know I literally hate interviews, literally. So yeah, I've just been here trying to prepare myself or whatever, but we will see. I got thread, y'all. My hair look a mess. I need to figure something out. So when I put the phone down and pick the camera back up, I'll finally look like something, because right now I look busted. But yeah, so I will not call y'all. I will come back to y'all after my interview and let y'all know how that went. Other than that, I think I have to do some Christmas shopping today. Christmas Eve is tomorrow, and I have not done any type of shopping whatsoever. But yeah, so that's all I really have planned for today. I just gotta upload and edit videos today, go shopping, I have an interview, and that's pretty much it. So I have like a kind of boring day today, but it's okay. Y'all just travel along to see what I do. Okay, y'all, so I'm back on the camera and I finally look like something. I'm finna give y'all an outfit cam, but I wanted to, y'all, hold on, let me put this on the tripod. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back on the camera and I finally look like a little something. My interview went good, I think. I feel like I had a good answer for everything. She was really sweet, really cool. I was just on Instagram and I saw that somebody got accepted. So I'm about to check my email and see if I got an email saying something, because she told me I wouldn't hear anything until tomorrow. So that kind of doesn't sound like good news, but I'm gonna check my email here on camera with y'all. So hold on, let me go get my phone. Okay, so I have my phone. Let's see. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I don't have an email as of right now. But yeah, I went on their Instagram. Let me see. So yeah, somebody just said, so excited to announce I'm officially an Impression of Beauty campus ambassador for North Carolina A&T. So yeah, we're just gonna keep our fingers crossed that we hear something back. But as of right now, I haven't heard anything. Well, first things first, I'm about to go downstairs and take some pictures because I feel like I look cute, you know. Got the jacket on, got the fit on. I'm about to show y'all, hold on. Let me show y'all the fit. So this is the fit today. Nothing too much, just something slight. The camera quality is terrible in here, so I'm gonna go downstairs, prop the camera up and take pictures downstairs and show y'all my fit better downstairs. But, you know, I feel like I wish if this was cropped, hold on. If this jacket was cropped, this would be so much cuter. Feels like cropped. I don't know if y'all can see my vision, because I'm kind of far from the camera, so I can't really see. But if this jacket was cropped, this would be a look, honey. Okay, but no, seriously, I'm gonna go downstairs, take some pictures, and then we're gonna go to Walmart. So let's go. So this is a better look. I hope y'all can see. If you haven't already went to go check the video out of this braid out, make sure y'all go do that. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna upload that until tomorrow. So y'all stay tuned tomorrow to see how I got this braid out. This is the second day, so it's 2 days old now. When I went to sleep last night, I didn't put a bonnet on. All I did was put a do-rag on. So it looks a bit unruly. But nevertheless, it still cute. It still looks cute. I still think it looks so freaking natural. Like, what? Deja, when your hair got this long, girl, overnight, you know. Nothing major, slight work. But no, for real, I'm gonna take these pictures, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I completely forgot that I have to mail this package to the giveaway winner on my channel. I told her I was gonna mail it when I got back to Atlanta, but I got back yesterday, but of course the post office is closed on Sundays, so I'm about to go do that right now before I forget, and then we're gonna go to Walmart. So to the post office we go. Okay, so I'm here at Walmart, and I probably should have did my Christmas shopping a little earlier because it's packed up here. And I'm not trying to be in here all day. So, hold on, let me prop y'all up while I drive because I already done got honked at because I'm not paying attention. I'm not trying to be in here all day. I'm trying to get in, get out. I already know what I'm getting. So, I'm gonna need to get in and out. And that's on period. That's just that on that. Nothing more, nothing less. Oh, it's too many people. You know what I should have did? I should have came, what's today? Why are there so many people here? Ain't it a work day? It's 4 o'clock. Folks should be at work. I'm trying not to hit nobody because, you know, your girl will tap some legs, okay? Yeah, all right, just come on out. You know, I wasn't stopping for you, but yes, you know. Come on. Dang, they finna get my parking spot. Are you gonna stop or are you gonna go? Okay, thank you very much. As I was saying, what was I saying? I don't even remember. Somebody need to back out. Oh, they got their reverse lights on, but is they leaving? Oh no, they just not getting to the car. I don't got time to wait. Yeah, I already know what I'm about to go in here and get. So it's just a matter of if they have any. But oh, I'm not parking back here. If you know me, your girl Deja do not like walking, okay? And maybe I should. This is how you get some exercise, but you know it's raining today, so I don't think so. What was I about to say? Oh, I already know what I'm getting, like I said, but hopefully they got what I need. Come on now. Hopefully they got what I need because, like I said, it's packed in here. So yeah. Oh no, they finna get us fun. I lied to myself. Your girl should have just came tomorrow. Why not? Okay, y'all, so let me find a parking spot and I will see y'all when we get inside. So I'm here at Walmart. I know what I want to get, but I'm not sure where to go to get it. Like, I know what area I'm supposed to get it from, but you know, I'm not gonna say it on camera because you know it's a Christmas gift and it's supposed to be a surprise. But I'm going to look for it because I really just walked in here and I don't see it. So I was expecting for it to be like one of the first things that I saw. Your girl is kind of lazy, so I didn't feel like looking. But I guess I'm gonna have to look. So I guess I'll just get it. And I'm gonna buy me a tripod too because I always have to like hold my camera in my hand, and this camera is really heavy. 2020, my New Year's resolution, well, it's not really a resolution, but one thing I'm going to do in 2020 is to get a vlog camera, like a G7X, you know, something I can travel with, because this camera is too heavy. It's not even really heavy, it's just heavier than what it needs to be. Like, my phone is way lighter, so I'd rather vlog on my phone when I do go places. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when we go look for the tripod. Okay, so I found everything that I needed. I got this tripod. Hopefully I got all the pieces because it was already open. So I just made sure I looked at it or whatever. This is how it looks, you know, just adjustable, something small, simple. And I also found the gift that, can't even put this back in here. I also found the gift that I was looking for. Literally as soon as I turned the camera off, I ran right into it. So, bro, okay, forget it. Yeah, as soon as I turned the camera off, I found it. So that's that. I'm currently in the purse section because if y'all didn't know, Walmart be having the good stuff. Like, they be having good stuff. So like, look at this. This is so cute. Okay, maybe not the color. Maybe I lied. Maybe that's not cute. But like, this is adorable. So I really need a black purse because I have like colored purses. I have a white bag. I have, you know, basic colors, but I don't have a black bag, and I always need one. Like, I could run one with this today, but I have to carry around this black wallet because I don't have a bag. So I'm currently looking for a black bag, but I don't see any. I don't never see any that I like. So that's always the dilemma. Like, this one has too much going on. Like, all of this is fine. I guess I just have to go back on Shein or something, because that's where I get all my purses, Shein or Fashion Nova. I guess I have to go back on there and find a black purse. But I'm about to go check out. So I'll see y'all when I get back in the car. Okay, so I'm back home and I'm using my new tripod, and it was worth the, how much was this? Like $20? Period, poo. So now I ain't gotta strain my freaking hand, my arms, to make a video. This is so much easier. And then I could use this like at home, because sometimes my tripod is too tall to like put on my vanity or whatever. So now I can use this and we'll be good. I don't have a key. I let Tevin use my key because he came back home like a week before I did. So I let him use my key, but I should have got it back by now and I didn't. So I hope somebody is in this house to unlock the door, because if not, I'm gonna be pretty upset. Oh, it's unlocked. Great. Carla Hines, where you at? I'm starving, y'all. I'm finna find something to eat on, because I ain't ate nothing all day. And it's, what time is it? Yeah, this counter is wet. It's 5:09 and I have not eaten all day. I bought this yesterday. Let's see. I bought this yesterday. Never had this kind before. I usually only get Caesar. Where do I light it? Right here. I usually only get Caesar, but I seen the chicken and it looked kind of like buffalo chicken. So we about to test this out. It's called Southwest Style Salad with Chicken. And it's with salsa ranch dressing. I'm gonna taste that before I put it on my salad, because if it's nasty, I'm gonna be really upset. And if not, we have regular ranch in the refrigerator. Actually not that bad. It do taste like sauce and ranch. At first I only tasted the ranch, but I do taste the salsa. So I guess it's supposed to be like a spicy type of salad. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, because I have to edit it and get it up today. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end it out. Y'all make sure y'all come back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 6. Almost done. I really give my props to people who do 25 days, like Vlogmas for 25 days, because this ain't easy. Recording and then uploading within the same day, that's a lot. And then plus, like at home, we don't have Wi-Fi here, so I have to like edit on my computer, then like save it to my computer, then airdrop the video to my phone, and then upload the video from my phone to YouTube. And it's no service over here, like it's terrible service over here, so it's gonna take a minute. So if it takes too long, I might just have to go to like Publix or something like right around the corner and just let it upload. And then yeah, so I have to end it early so that I have enough time to make sure the video can go up today. So I will see y'all in tomorrow's vlog. So until then, peace.